Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 alleged render tips bronze color variant, thin bezels. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2's alleged render has surfaced online ahead of its expected launch on August 5. Shared by a tipster, the blurry render highlights the phone in bronze color. It also hints at the smartphone's thinner bezels over the first Galaxy Fold, launched in February 2019. The second-generation Galaxy Fold model will likely arrive with new Samsung products such as Galaxy Note 20 series, Galaxy Buds Live, Galaxy Watch 3 and Galaxy Z Flip 5G at the upcoming Galaxy Unfold event. The tipster, however, has also cautioned about the legitimacy of the render. Therefore, it is advised to take the information with a pinch of salt. The alleged render of the Galaxy Z Fold 2 was published on Twitter by notable tipster Ishan Agarwal. The tipster has also shared alleged renders of the Galaxy Watch 3 and the bean-shaped Galaxy Buds Live, both in bronze color. There's also an image of the Galaxy Note 20 Ultra that was accidentally leaked on the company website earlier this month. All these products are expected to launch on August 5 as Samsung's mobile chief Tae Moon Roh today confirmed that the South Korean tech giant would unveil as many as 5 products at the online Galaxy Unpacked event on the day. Coming back to the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2, the blurry render shared by the tipster further highlights the phone's large camera sensors. According to a recent report, the new Samsung foldable phone is expected to carry a 10-megapixel image sensor both on the inside and the outside. On the back, the Galaxy Z Fold 2 will reportedly feature a triple camera setup that includes a 64-megapixel telephoto camera, a 12-megapixel sensor with an ultra-wide-angle lens and a 12-megapixel primary sensor with a wide-angle lens. To recall, the original Galaxy Fold comes with triple cameras, 16-megapixel plus 12-megapixel plus 12-megapixel sensors, at the back. The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 2 is also rumored to feature a foldable 7.7-inch Super AMOLED display, WIOCTA, with 120Hz refresh rate. The external display is expected to be Super AMOLED display with a screen size of 6.23 inches. Moreover, another report has tipped that the new Galaxy Z Fold 2 will likely be priced similar to its predecessor at $1,980, roughly 148,200 rupees. For more updates, subscribe to Tech News and share this video.